What's up, guys? We've got a quick little project today. You know how sometimes when the wife has something that bothers her, it becomes your problem? Well, we bought this property and put our dream home on it, and we've got a fairly long driveway. But the guy that owned it before us owned a construction company, and he used to store stuff up here. It was a lot, whatever he did with it, who knows. But anyways, he had gates, and the gates have always bothered my wife since we've owned it. And half of them came down when we ran utilities back, and now today is the day we take the other half down. Okay, let's get our socket set up, and we will start tearing some fence apart. Well, that looks so much better. How can she not be happy with that? I still have to pick up the other side that I just tangled up the excavator, but I couldn't physically get it in the truck by myself. Next thing's coming down through here and cutting all these down trees and dead trees so that they don't keep falling. But that's for another day, another video. So make sure if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you enjoy watching me work, leave me a comment. All right, see you on the next video.